Disabling two-factor authentication on your Huntington bank account can be done quickly by following these steps. Ensure you have your login credentials handy before you begin. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or security settings section. This is usually found in the profile or account management area. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the security settings, look for the option related to two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You should see an option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. Select this option and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Save changes. After disabling the feature, ensure you save any changes made. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can quickly disable two-factor authentication on your Huntington bank account. Always remember to keep your account secure through other means.